Kyrenia Castle, one of the most iconic historical landmarks in North Cyprus, invites you on a captivating journey. Situated on the shores of the Mediterranean, this impressive castle holds many details that shed light on the island's history. The Shipwreck Museum within the castle houses one of the world's oldest trade ships, taking visitors back to ancient times. The dungeons inside the castle allow you to experience the life and history of past eras more closely. From the castle walls, you can capture breathtaking photos of Kyrenia's panoramic views. Bearing traces of the Crusader and Ottoman periods, this castle is a perfect exploration point for history and architecture enthusiasts. When you visit North Cyprus, don't miss the chance to explore Kyrenia Castle and feel the unique harmony of history and the sea.